What's up, guys? This is Ankit here from HighBlogging.com. And in this video, we will see how you can change the color of your choice, right? So if let's say you want to change the color of this particular background, so how you can do that is there are two ways. One is you can use the color codes, the color options that are already given in Groovepages, and the second option is you can copy the color code of any particular color that you want, right? Which is not already available in Groovepages. Okay. So let's click here and go to background. So this is the color, right? So the first option is you click here and you select any color from here, right? There are different shades given. So let's say I select this, so it becomes this color, right? And then what the second option is you can paste your own color code, right? So in this particular box, let's say I want to paste my own color code, right? So for that, what I have to do is, let's say I want to paste this color. I want to use this color. So you can download a plugin, which is called as Color Pick Eyedropper. You can download this Chrome extension. And what this extension does is, wherever you place it on the page, it will copy the color code of that particular background, right? So once I drop it here, I can copy this code, right? And close it. And so I come here, again, go to background, color. And now for the second option where you want to paste your own code, what you have to do is, you see the small circle here, click here, scroll down, and in the small box, just paste your code. Okay, and click yes. Okay, so it got for here. So similarly, if we select here and do background, same way will happen for here. Okay, so this is, guys, that's it. You can using the same method, you can change the background color, element, text color, anywhere that you want using the same method, right? So that is all for this video. And if you need any more particular help in your Groovepages, you can connect with me on my Facebook Messenger. The link for that is given in the description. Okay, thank you so much.